Pack your bags, let's hit the road and leave every day behind. This week we're going to our home away from home, and fun fact, it actually was our home. Our escape this week is just a quick 8-hour drive away, and you guys are coming with us. First stop, my most favorite place ever, all of Ateliers. When I think about my home style, I can't help but go back to this place. I feel like this is the place that really helped me figure out what I love. From the moment I saw it, everything, the decor, the interiors, the way it felt so collected, it just spoke to me. I became obsessed. I dived in and researched and researched. I started following all of Ateliers when they only had about 10,000 followers. And it was just something about their interiors that I absolutely became obsessed with. I felt like before I found them, I was all over the place. I love so many different interiors, but I never knew what was my exact style. But when they invited me for a gifting appointment this time around, I was beyond thrilled. I love working with brands that I can scream to the rooftop, and this is definitely one of the top for me. What I love so much about vintage decor is that every single piece tells a story. From the patina to the little imperfections, each one truly is one of a kind, and it just makes your home feel that much more special. I picked out a few pieces that I'm absolutely in love with, and I cannot wait to show you all. They had to be shipped because, well, we have strollers, luggage, and there just wasn't any room in the car, and I really didn't want them to break. But keep an eye out for the next video because I cannot wait to show you guys them all. This right here is actually one of my most favorite pieces. This really does warm up any kitchen. It is a vintage cutting board. I'll try my best to link as much as I can down below because Olive actually ships directly to your house, which is absolutely incredible. But let's go around the store and I will show you some of my favorite pieces. These candles are my favorite, and when they are done, I actually melt down wax and just refill them up so they never ever go to waste. And then you guys know my favorite stone bowl. You've seen it so many times. And then these olive pots, they are just so good. You guys probably remember when I DIY'd a vintage limestone planter last spring, and honestly it turned out really good, and I'm so beyond proud of it. But call me crazy, there's just something about the real thing. Now I'm dreaming about adding one to our backyard and I can't decide. Do I go with a true vintage limestone fountain, or do I do a big olive pot like this and turn it into a fountain instead? Especially because we have the rock wall behind it. I'm not sure, so tell me, what do you think I need to do? Do I need to do a limestone fountain or an olive jar fountain? All right, now that we had fun at Olive, it's time to check into our home away from home. This time we are checking into the beautiful Newport Coast Marriott Villas, where the ocean breeze hits a little softer and everything just slows down a little bit more. Thought of you walking out the door. Fun fact about me is I actually spent my entire adult life here before I had kids. So coming back now, it really does feel like home. I love revisiting all my favorite spots and restaurants, beaches where I used to sit and watch the sunset, and the little places that hold so many memories. I love bringing our kids with us and showing them what we used to do and what our playground would look like. This is what really makes it feel so special, and this place right here is one of my favorites. Running low on the borderlines, and you tell me that you're doing fine. Morning color lights the hall, pulls you right on through the door. So hold on to all that feeds your soul. I know a place where the sun shines every day. So come with me, I'll take you there. I'll take you. Every time I sit on this beach, I find myself staring at the houses along the cliffs. wondering what the people inside do. Do they realize how beautiful this is? Do they wake up grateful for this view every morning? What do they do? What is their stories? I'm always so curious because living here truly would feel like such a dream.
And you tell me you're just passing by, drowning in your reasons why. Talk is cheap, but we're wasting time. So hold on to all that feeds your soul. I know a place where the sun shines every day.
The kids were soaked, they were freezing, but it didn't stop them. And after the sunset, we piled back into the car and drove back to our villa, trying our best to wind down for an early night because the next morning we're headed to the happiest place on earth. And then the magic. There's something about walking down Main Street that never changes. The music, the smell of popcorn in the air, the castle standing there like it always has, steady, familiar, and timeless. No matter how many times you come, it still feels like stepping into a story.
Golden days drifting far away. Light is leaving town.
I couldn't help but notice the tiny details around Disney, like the little ball waiting for Pirates of the Caribbean. That brass ball is so cute. Chris is running to the rides with the kids. I, on the other hand, am running to the lines for all of the food because I cannot get enough of Disney food. Tell me, which is your guys' favorite treat in the park? I think I'm going to have to say the churros and the Dole Whip, even if it is not on a hot day. But this cold brew really did hit the spot. I've seen this all over social media, and I was so determined to find it, and it was so yummy.
As we fight off the cold, holding you tight, you know just what I'm thinking. I don't want this moment to go. No, I don't want this moment.
All right, now that was our fun-packed day in Southern California, our home away from home. Now let's head home, dive into a little bit of home projects and a little bit of gardening. There's something about coming home after a little getaway, slipping back into the routine, but carrying the memories with you of the last trips. Mornings around here started really slow, no rushing, just quiet morning coffee, a little protein shake, and just easing back into real life. We dove right back into the entryway, smoothing the walls, which honestly feels like the story of our lives. But we have some really exciting plans coming up for this space. I mean, really exciting, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So make sure you're following along because you are not going to want to miss what's coming up next in this space. But first, we actually have to finish the entryway before we can jump into the next project. And the next project actually entails us hiring our first ever person. Can you believe it? Chris is letting me hire somebody. I am screaming. Let's be honest, the only reason he's letting me hire somebody is because it's actually something that he cannot do, and we looked into buying what we need to do the project with, and it would almost cost the same amount as if we were just to hire somebody.
I've been thinking about how I let you down. Remember when I told you I thought that everything was gonna be okay? I wish I could go back, 'cause I change every single word and every mistake. Still can't let you go. I can't let you go.
And while Chris is making sure all these pieces sit flush with the staircase, I found something else on Marketplace. And yes, it's another terracotta pot. I can't help myself, you guys. I truly cannot help myself. I saw this pot. It was $8. I love the shape. I thought it was so different. I love the idea of having so many terracotta pots around the property mixed in with these vintage olive jars. I just feel like that would be so collected and like they all kind of go together, but yet are all still so different. Does that make sense? But anyways, I ended up having one boxwood left over from when we planted the stuff on the dog side, so I decided to add that in here, and I just love the way it turned out.
Everything was gonna be okay. Still can't let you go.
Even though our backyard is nowhere near done, I love looking at everything all kind of blend together and sort of see the vision come to life. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another video of mine. Be sure to follow along because hopefully my olive delivery arrives. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.